Welcome all of you. This is a text processor software. Today we will demonstrate the add text, remove text and add header footer in the text file. So let's get started. I have a sample file with me. So I simply load the text file. Now choose a operation add text. So in add text you can add multiple lines on the file. You can add empty lines. How many empty lines you can add? You want your own text, you just add here. Hi, this is sample line. You can also specify the which position of the add text, like a top, bottom, or specified line number, or matching text content. So in this case I am going to add line at the line number example to be 5. The software will add the two lines, this and this, to at line number 5. So simply start the process. Choose the output directory. Here is my output directory. And start the process. Text added successfully. Check the sample data at line number 5. You can see at the line number 5 software add the two lines. You can also check another file. Also check with the another file. I just clear the output and mention here overwrite files. You can also test various options like bottom, where to in the content. Let's move to the other example, remove text. In this case you can remove the lines, top lines. How many lines you can specify? 1, 2, 3, 4. At specified line number you can specify. You can remove all empty lines. You can remove the matching contexts. You can remove the punctuation. You can also allow a few punctuation which you like, or in the punctuation case the only Unicode character will be removed. So let's get started with remove text at the line number. So in this case I am going to remove at the line number 5 again. So let's get started. Here is the output. At the line number 5 the text is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 26 central gill pen is removed. You can see here the 26, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 26 line is removed. Same as another file is also removed. So let's move to the other example with the remove lines. Now I remove to punctuation. Simply I just start the process. Software will remove all the punctuations. You can see software remove the punctuations. Let's move to the other example. You can add header footer to the file. You can also specify how many line, empty line on headers, how many lines after. Same case, how many empty lines in footer, how many empty lines after. So you can change the content, or you can add this is test header is test footer. Simply start the process. You can see software add the header and add the footer. Same in a hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching the video.